So I have an instructional screencast that I want students in my class to be able to see, and ideally I'd like to embed that into a course management website like Sakai or Blackboard, or embed it into, let's say, a Google site that I've created for students. At very least, I'd like to give students a link to the video. And in order to do that, I need to host the video somewhere. So I need to find some online place where I can put the video so that if I give people a link, the link will actually refer back to a video that exists online. Or if I embed the code into a website, that code actually refers to a video that's already available online. I've already done a video on how to host your videos using Google Drive, but I want to talk about perhaps the most popular option, which is hosting your video on YouTube. YouTube has several different advantages, especially because it's the most popular place for people to go for videos. So if you were to host a video on YouTube, one advantage would be if you want other people besides those in your class to have access to your video, quite often people will go to YouTube and actually search for videos on a particular topic. So it maximizes the likelihood that your video will be seen and used by somebody. But a lot of people don't realize you can also upload YouTube videos with a more restricted access, which would be called an unlisted video. And that means that if you upload a video that's unlisted, you can give students a link to it, and only those people who have the link can access the video, but you couldn't go onto YouTube and just find the video by doing a general search. So I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. First, you go into your Gmail account, which would show up right here. So if you're not logged into Gmail and go to YouTube, the YouTube homepage, you need to do that. And after that, you press upload, and it brings you to this screen right here. And what you do is you open up the file folder and you select the video you want to upload, and it goes here. And you'll notice as soon as I upload the video, it automatically starts uploading. So I have a few different things that I can do right here regarding the settings of the video. I can change the title of the video, and I can put a description of the video. So here is a short tutorial on how to use Google Drive to host your instructional or other videos. I can also put tags, which are basically keywords. If I want to make my video publicly available, I can choose terms that would make the video come up if people were to put them in their keyword search. So I could use terms like screencast, instructional. I could use words like higher education if I want to do that, post videos, etc. And over here I have my privacy settings. And again, you can either make the video public, which means it's searchable. You can make the video unlisted, which means it requires an actual link to access the video. Or if you only want the video to be private, you can just do a private setting, which means the video is really only for your own viewing. If you're going to make this video publicly available, I would recommend the first option or the second option, depending on your comfort level. So the next thing is, now that the video is almost uploaded, we're going to go into the Video Manager. And Video Manager is where they store all of the videos that you as a user have uploaded. And the first thing I want to show you about this is you can go back after the fact and change your privacy settings. If you want to change it from public back to restricted access or unlisted, you can check the box with that video, and right here you can change the setting right there, public, unlisted, or private. You can also click edit on the video, and if you click edit, it will come up with the video, and it will allow you again to go and change the title, description, or tagline, and you can go in and change that as many times as you want if you find a typo or something like that. Anyhow, so now let's go back and let's click on the actual video that we've uploaded, and you'll see that the video is still processing. It takes a few minutes for YouTube to actually process the video so that it displays properly. I'm going to pause the video here. So let's say that you've now uploaded the video and you've gotten to the point where you now want to share the video. You want to give people the link, or you want to embed it into a website. If you want to do any of those, you're going to go down to Share, which is below the video itself. And you can either share the video by giving the link, which is right here, or if you want to embed the HTML code to the video, which will kick the website back to YouTube so that the YouTube video shows up literally on another website, here's the HTML code that you would cut and paste into the HTML of the website. You can even email the video to people. So if there's a particular person that you would like to email the video to, you can do it like that. And the last thing that I want to show you, which may be of interest to some people, is that YouTube actually allows you to, for legal purposes, license the video and trademark it basically, or copyright it right on the spot. You can either do a standard license, which means that nobody can use it without your explicit permission, or you can create a Creative Commons license, which means basically, which would be in the event where you would allow people to use the video only under certain very selected conditions. Like my Creative Commons usually is that people have to attribute the video to me or else they can't use it. So as you can see, YouTube is a really powerful tool to host your videos. It gives you a lot of options. The good thing is storage space, unlike Google Drive, is almost unlimited. And YouTube is such a popular option that if you want your video to be seen by others, it's a really good place to actually host your video. So I hope you consider using YouTube also as your hosting source.